Hello everyone. So I'm going to get you caught up on where we stand. All the drywall is finished. As you can see, there's just a few minor places that have to be fixed. These are a couple in the garage. We've had doors and trim installed, as well as the attic stairs. So let me take you inside and show you around and show you what we've been having going on here. So we're gonna go this way first. All right, so down here is the spare bathroom. You can see the door, very nice. It's trimmed out, ready for the sink to go in. Very excited. Linen closet rather. Gotta get new hinges, but some shelves to put towels and sheet kind of things. You have the spare bedrooms. Both have shelves in there and double closet doors. That's some pieces of carpet that we're going to put down when we're doing the work on the floor. You can see this room. There we go. Very nice. Nice double doors. Excited. You'll notice they are 2 panel doors, recessed. These are going to be similar to what we have on our kitchen cabinets. We have the double doors for the hallway closet. And there's a shelf in there, which we can put stuff on. I have the laundry room. Trimmed out down there, and the floorboards. And here is the living room. You can see the trim around the fireplace, very nice. And the master bedroom door. And our view of the lake, very pretty. And we trimmed out between each window, right here, with a 1x8. So it trims all the way around all the windows, making a nice continuous piece all the way down. And there's our front door. And then in the kitchen, trimmed out this window, put a little trim down here because we have kitchen cabinets. This is the pantry. Again, we need hinges, but you can see very nice, 5 nice shelves. Just deep enough we can put boxes of cereal and so forth on them easily, and canned goods. And there's plenty of room to walk in and out, so we can put things in there. And then last but not least is the master. Here's the master bedroom. All the windows are trimmed quite nicely. That's the bathroom and the master closet. You can see our design. We have shelving in the corner. Smaller shelf on that side. This is my side of the closet. This is the part we're going to share, where we can hang dresses and suits and so forth. And Bill can put his dress shoes on that little shelf around the entire thing. And then this side of the closet is Bill's. And he gets 6 cubbies to put his stuff in. So that's the house as it stands right now. Next week they're coming to do the priming. And then we have to do the little bit of touch-ups on the walls. There's a few spots that need to be fixed. And once that's done, we paint the final coat. We've already chosen the paint color, so that'll be good. And once the paint's done, we can get cabinets installed and light fixtures and all that stuff and keep moving forward. Hopefully 1 more month we'll be in this house, living here good. So yeah, that's just a nice little update on where we currently stand. Hopefully you have a great day, everyone. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of videos on here of our progress and where we currently been working. Thank you very much. This is Amateur Owner Builder.